If you want to invest in companies like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, AMD, but don't want to pick individual stocks, a tech ETF could be the perfect choice. Here's my top 5 technology ETFs for 2026. First is SMH, the VanEck Semiconductor ETF. It invests in chip companies like Nvidia, TSMC, AMD, and Broadcom. If you believe AI will keep growing, this ETF gives you strong exposure. But remember, it can also be more volatile. Next is FTEC from Fidelity. It owns more than 300 technology companies and has a very low annual fee of 0.08%. It's a great choice if you want broad exposure to the tech sector. And number 3 is Triple Q. It tracks the Nasdaq 100, which includes many of the world's biggest tech companies like Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, and Meta. Over the last 10 years, Triple Q has delivered an average annual return of around 18%, making it one of the best performing ETFs. Number 2 is XLK. This ETF focuses on the large US technology companies. It has a low fee of 0.08% and is very popular with both investors and day traders. Number 1 is VGT from Vanguard. It owns more than 300 technology companies, charges just 0.09% per year, and has delivered an average annual return of about 25% over the last 10 years. For many long-term investors, it's one of the best technology ETFs available. Which technology ETF is your favorite? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more investing videos. Thank you for watching.